no ha habido un referéndum de autodeterminación en Cataluña. Quiero dar aquí las gracias de manera muy especial a las fuerzas y cuerpos de seguridad del Estado, a la Policía Nacional y a la Guardia Civil.
It was a peaceful day that suddenly turned. Crowds had gathered at polling stations from the early hours. But at a sit-down protest in the centre of Barcelona, it turned ugly. The start of violent police action to clear the streets. No one in the vicinity was safe as rubber bullets rang out. Many people were injured. This man was shot in the face. But more than that, the people here were shocked at the response of the police.
Why? Why are they doing this? I can't believe it. This is the worst thing that I've seen. I can't believe it. Yeah.
The Spanish police had said they would clear the polling stations across the region, but the intensity seemed to surprise those already inside. This was a school close to our location. The scene was filmed by a journalist who was there as police broke down the doors to take away the ballot boxes.
Shocking moment. In 20th century, in Europe, in Spain, in theory a very democratic state. I never imagined this. Police fighting with people who want vote.
The people here have been telling us more than once that any protest is going to be peaceful, that they are pacifist in nature, which is why the images of the Spanish police cracking down so heavily is such a bad one for the Spanish government.
They say they've acted proportionally in dealing with what they call an illegal referendum.
What happened today cannot be permitted. I would like to make it clear that those responsible for today's event and incidents that took place should be held accountable. Unfortunately, they are the ones that are creating this violence. They are guilty of what happened, not us.
Unjust